Crafting a captivating thesis statement. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive deep into an essential element of academic writing, formulating a clear and concise thesis statement. A thesis statement serves as the backbone of your essay, guiding your readers and showcasing your main point. A thesis statement is a one- or two-sentence statement that summarizes the main point or claim of an essay, research paper, etc. Think of it as the heartbeat of your academic work, from which all your ideas flow. 1. Specific and focused. Your thesis should not be too broad. Instead of writing, "Reading is beneficial," you might say, "Reading historical fiction can enhance students' understanding of world events." 2. Arguable. A thesis should present a claim that others might challenge. For instance, "Exercising is good" is a weak thesis. However, "Exercising 3 times a week can significantly reduce the risk of heart diseases" is arguable. 3. Clear and concise. Avoid vague words and ensure your statement gets straight to the point. When you're about to formulate your statement, here are some steps to guide you. 1. Start with a question. Before you come up with the answer, think of a relevant question regarding your topic. E.g., how does reading historical fiction benefit students? 2. Brainstorm. Jot down possible answers or points related to your question. 3. Refine. From your brainstormed list, pick the strongest point or combine points to form your thesis statement. 1. The consumption of organic foods can lead to better health outcomes compared to processed foods because of their lack of synthetic chemicals. 2. While both Spanish and British colonization had similar motivations in the New World, they differed greatly in their methods of implementation and their impact on indigenous populations. 3. The rapid urbanization of major cities in the 21st century is causing unprecedented environmental and social challenges, necessitating innovative urban planning solutions. Crafting a strong thesis statement is both an art and a science. With practice, you'll be able to hone this skill, making your academic writing stand out. I hope this video has given you a clear idea of how to approach and master the art of creating compelling thesis statements. Until next time, keep writing and refining your craft.